Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. Welcome. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and it's the third day of our holiday cruising missions from the Fly Lady. So I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes, so we've got that going. And for day 3 of our Cruising Through the Holidays missions, she is talking about checking on our holiday gift supply and just getting it all gathered in one place. And she mentions don't make too big of a project of this. So I have an area in the basement where everything's gathered. It doesn't look the best. It could be purged, I'm sure. It could be sorted. But for right now, for these 15 minutes, what I'm going to do with you is just quickly go through my little tub of paper, of wrapping paper rolls and see if I need anything else or if I'm good as far as that goes. And then I also brought up my box here. This is, I'll show you my little Santa box that has all of my holiday cards in it and my holiday bullet journal. I'll show you that, and we'll go through there and see if there's anything I need to add to my errand list. So starting off with my gift wrap, I have been trying to implement what Diane in Denmark talks about, where she just has neutral paper that could be used for any celebration, any time of year, doesn't matter. And I ended up buying a little bit of holiday wrap last year because I ran out. So that was good. I've actually gone through probably 2 or 3 years now of not really needing to buy any gift wrap because we've been using up what I had stashed on hand. So that's all been used up. I did pick up this one, which is a specific Christmas and holiday greetings one. But I thought it worked nicely with this one, which could be holiday, but really could just be used for anything. And what's left, I have a little bit of this textured gold and a silver, and on the inside it has stripes, so that's another good neutral one. Both of those are getting down to the last little bit, and I see here I have some of this red, but you can see that's not a very long roll, so, and that one I think is almost gone as well. So I think I may need to pick up one roll. I also have this though. This is just a brown craft paper, so I might need to pick up some special paper. If you have children, you might know what I'm talking about. So I think I need to get one roll of special paper. This is a bag or a roll of shrink wrap, so you can use this for gift bags and boxes and baskets, and you shrink it on there with a blow dryer, so that's fine. And the last couple of things in here are just little pieces that I could use up for different projects or gift wrap. And then I think there's one piece in here. This was a fairly large one that we're just trying to reuse. So I'm gonna leave that as is, and the only thing I'm gonna add to my errand list here, so show you my little, there's my errand list. So you can see that. And let's see. What I need to add to that is a certain kind of special paper. So done. All right, so on my errand day when I'm out, I'll take a peek in the store, probably just go to the grocery store and see. They might have it already. You know how that goes. It's not even Halloween, but that stuff's already starting to show up in the stores in my area. So, okay. Then moving on to my giant Santa box there. So let me have a seat and we'll kind of go through and see what's in there. Hopefully you can see me. Yes. Okay. Let me get you down a little bit just so we're not quite so high up. Hold on. Here we go. Okay. I think you can see me better. So this is where I keep holiday cards. So I have this. Now this is my holiday bullet journal, and I probably will do a separate video about this, but essentially it's just where I jot memories, keep a few special cards each year, try to print out some pictures. I did great the first year. This last year I need to catch up on. So that'll be for another day, another video. I have, let's see what I have and see what I need. So I have lots of these are gift tags that you can print on, which is kind of handy. I think my dad was cleaning out box and came across some of these things. So just some paper. I did a holiday newsletter the first couple of years, and I don't know, since my daughter's been born, it's been more challenging to keep up with. So I'm not sure if I'll do a holiday newsletter this year, and I may need to think about just decluttering that paper if I don't think I'm going to use it, but we'll wait and see. All right, and then what else? So basically, these are not gift cards, like photo cards from last year. So I need to look through these and see. I usually keep some that are just the immediate family ones, nieces and nephews, because those are kind of nice. So I do have one box. This looks like it's been opened. Yes, so maybe 7 or 8, 10 at the most in there. This is my holiday gift list, gift card list or Christmas card list. And what I've done is I have a column at the, let me see if I can show you this. So I have a column on the side, and that way I can keep track of if they send me one and I receive one from them each year, just so that I'm not overdoing it on cards. And that's worked out really well. What else? So basically I'm looking to see if I have a lot more cards stashed in here or if I need to go buy more cards. And it looks like a lot of this is old newsletters and photos from family, which is okay for now. Like I said, I may end up purging that, but today is not the day. I'm just focused on trying to figure out what I need to get on my errand list. And the only other place that I may have some things stashed are in the front of my Christmas control journal. So let's take a look at that, and we'll see if there's anything in here. Like, yes, so here's a little stash of some holiday cards from a donation I made. So I think that I either need to decide if we're going to do a family photo and use that as our card this year to send out to immediate family, or if not, then I need to probably pick up a few more packages of holiday cards. So that's good to know. So what I'm going to do is make myself 2 notes. One note to ask my husband if we want to do the holiday photo this year, and if we do, this is actually a good time to do it because the leaves have just started to turn where I live here in the Midwest. So that would be good to go ahead and just get out there now on a sunny day. We may be able to do it with the old iPhone. We'll see. If not, then we need to find someone to take it for us. So I've got a note to ask him about that. And then the other thing is that'll help me determine whether I need to pick up more holiday Christmas cards or if we're gonna just do those photos. And I did make myself a note already to buy more holiday stamps, some more Christmas postage stamps, so that either way, whatever we're sending out, we have that taken care of. So that is my time for today. I'm at about 6 minutes left, so that's great. So hopefully this is helping you just start thinking about these things. I know it seems way too early, but that's kind of the point, is you want to get ahead of the game on a few of these little things just here and there as you're going through your week. And that way, when we get closer to Thanksgiving and things start getting crazy, and then after Thanksgiving and it's real crazy, you're not caught off guard and you can actually enjoy the holidays. And if I didn't explain it very well in my first video, the whole term cruising through the holidays is that the fly lady thinks of it like she's going on a cruise December 1st. So she is going to be gone on this cruise for 3 weeks and she's going to get home right before Christmas. So in order to enjoy the holiday, she wants to have all of her Christmas planning done prior to leaving on her cruise. So she calls it cruising through the holidays. I think of it too like, you know, you just kind of go on cruise control and you can enjoy the holidays that way. So that is where we are today for day 3 of our Cruising Through the Holidays missions, and I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and also tell me if you have a stash of holiday cards and photos and letters that you keep. It's one thing that I probably will eventually purge, but like I said, today is not the day. So I'm going to focus on the task at hand and move on with my next thing. And I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.